how it works. Biochem, if you see, it works in 3 steps and gives you a dual action. What are these 3 steps? The first, the biochem forms a missile and cleans the dirty surface. That means it sits on the soil and cleans it. In the next step, it attaches itself to the pathogen. And in third step, it breaks down the cell wall or cell membrane. That's how we achieve the disinfection. Now, how it helps to get you a better cleaning and disinfection. The Biochem is a very safe molecule. Our entire Bioguard product range, if you see, that is based on Biochem, and we work on 3 pillars. That is efficacy, safety and ease of use. The Biochem molecule, as I said, it has been tested against thousands of pathogens as per the latest norms, which makes it a unique and one of the safest and the most effective blend in the market. Not only in India, globally. In terms of efficacy, we clear all the latest EN norms, including 16615 for pipes, 14476 for viruses. That includes COVID test also. If you see the safety part, it has been tested under dermatological test, and it has been declared safe for being used on skin as well as surface. In fact, our product line can be used on kids also without fear of damaging their sensitivity. The major USP of Bioguard product or Biochem is being alcohol-free. Now, how it helps? Being an alcohol-free means no fragrance, no irritation, no VOCs, and the people who are allergic to alcohol, they can have comfortable life by using alcohol.